That's for the bar and everything and the chain. I paid only $700. And this is 122cc chainsaw. Looks like we gotta do a little bit of assembly. Super well packaged. Look at that. There's the chain. They give us a little mixer. There you go. This side here 120cc, so much cheaper than a steel or Husqvarna. Those things around $1,900. This is a really big engine, as you can see. So let's assemble it and see what it's all about. Unboxing and assemble it. So looks like we'll need the bar first of all. Okay, then we have a couple of screws right here. Usually with the other chainsaws all these things are assembled. This one is completely in parts, but they do give you like a little extra pulley rope that is already assembled. It's very tight, nice. Okay, next we're probably gonna assemble this side here. Okay, we had to take this off, and then I put this bar in and this side here on one screw. Then this little screw gonna go in here. I wish it was already assembled this way, but again we save over $1,000. This one gonna go into here, and you have a couple of screws right here. We're gonna put 42-inch bar and the chain. Let's untangle that real quick. Okay, let's see how it does. Not too bad. Just gotta make sure we pop it in the right way. I might have to adjust it real quick. Adjust this right here. 42-inch bar is not that easy to set it up, that's for sure. Maybe this way will be a little bit easier. Let's drop the cover in. Put the screws in. Here, 42-inch bar is not fun to set up, that's for sure. Okay, now while we're still putting some pressure on it, let's adjust it. Probably set it down now. Hopefully I did it right. Okay, plus is this way. Let's go. I'm sweating over here, still have a little bit way to go. Okay, there you go. That's quite tight. Okay, there you go. Maybe one little spin over here. There you go, nice and tight. Okay. And just like any other chainsaw, you got it here, bar oil and the gasoline. It takes a lot. Nice. It's a big chainsaw. Wow, it's almost taking this whole little thing right here. And then gasoline. 2 cycle. My gasoline always marked with 2 cycle all over it. Takes quite a bit of gas too. Nice. Filled it up. Okay, time to start it. Safety. Okay, to start, really simple stuff. Just like a steel chainsaw, very similar, pretty much a copy. Not sure who copied who. Okay. Go build it. This side here, we can lift it up or push it. It's supposed to help, I think. Alright. There you go, there's the burp. Then lift it up on them. chainsaw got loosened up for some reason, but yeah, pretty awesome. Started up really easy. So fix the chain